What if I told you the system you're trapped in was designed to keep you stuck? Seriously, ever feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, chasing leads, grinding non-stop, and still getting nowhere? Here's the truth. There's a way out, and it starts with one bold choice. Imagine a world where your business builds itself, where AI powers your growth, builds your email list, follows up for you, and even grows your downline, all on autopilot, while you focus on what matters most. Welcome to AI Matrix Spillover. This isn't another empty promise or recycled program. It's a 2x12 matrix where you actually benefit from spillover, positioning, and leverage like never before. While everyone else is still hustling, you're already plugged into a system that pays you $20 fast start commissions, delivers monthly recurring income, and grows your network far beyond what you could ever do alone. It's not just about making money, it's about reclaiming your time, your freedom, your life. So are you ready to unplug from the old system and take control? Comment free and click the link. Choose wisely.